Hello there! Do you want to learn how to use D3 in Svelte? Well, in this video, we will use D3 to create a line and a bar chart. And for that, we will use on one side TypeScript, and then we will also use Svelte transitions to create some cool animations. So let's dive right in. Before we can create the charts, we need to install D3 into our project. For this, we will run pnpm install for D3 and its types. Next, we will create a line chart. For that, we will first import D3, specify the data and the dimensions of the chart. Then we create the data for the x and y axis and also the line of the chart. Finally, we create two variables for the graph itself and assign them the data of x and y. Now we create an SVG with a group holding the x and one holding the y data. Then we create the line itself, and finally we also create the data points along the line as circles. And with that, we have a working line chart. The process for the bar chart is very similar. First, we import D3 again, then specify the data and the dimensions of the chart. We again calculate the actual x and y axis and then create variables to create them in the SVG. Inside the SVG, we now have two groups for the x and y data, and then a collection of the actual bars. And with that, we now also have a working bar chart. Now to create a transition, let's go back to our line chart example. Here we will now import onMount and the transitions. Besides that, we will create a show boolean and switch it to true in the onMount function. Inside the HTML, we will now create a condition to only show the line and circles when show is active. And we will also add the transitions to the HTML elements. And with that, we have a line chart and the line and circles appearing. And with that, we know how to use D3 inside of Svelte and also how to use it with TypeScript. I hope this guide was helpful to you, and if you liked it, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.